So, as you guys know, Dave's afraid deathly of groundhogs. I had one almost attack him the other day, so I figured I'd buy a groundhog off Amazon, and we're gonna gut it out and strap it to an RC car and chase Dave with it today. So
today is finally the day everybody's been waiting for. We got all the frames ready to rock and roll. Steve's been freaking busting his butt. What do you think, Steve?
I think I got a couple more washers to put on and bolts to swap out, and they're done.
They're done.
Yep.
Put a fork in them. They're done.
Well, the forks are already on them. That's how done we are. So we're beyond that, bud.
That's hilarious. We just need something to clip to Dave.
like this.
That was something. You're gonna have to attach that to the front of them.
There's one.
Oop.
There's two. And there's three. That's everything.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thanks,
Have a
sir.
good one.
Yep, you too. Yeah, we got some serious meals. We're always over here like, there's nothing to eat, so got you some meals.
Nice. All right, so back to business. As I was saying, today's the last day, the day we've all been waiting for, May 11th. The frames are going to be going live tonight at 9. We sent out the newsletter. People lost their minds because the link was in the newsletter, and they are out of stock until 9. They are still going to be sold at 9, but they are out of stock till 9. Do you see all those people losing their minds?
I did see that.
This video is going to be out at 6, so if you guys are curious or you're a little bit frazzled, they're in stock. They're still sitting here. They're all gone.
People went insane.
Yeah, people went insane. So tonight at 9, they're going to be in stock at 9. 9:01, are they going to be in stock then? We don't know.
Dude, look at these meals. General Tso's chicken.
Oh, I said I feel like that should be one of them Chris Farley moments where it's like, quit saying insane.
Who's Chris Farley? Yeah, maybe. Shout out to Meals, but dude, look how good these look.
They
Like honestly,
they're good stuff, man.
Meals by Ginger.
Which I'll give you a little pro tip.
Shout out to you, Meals by Ginger, for sponsoring this video. So Ben hit me with oh, we're gonna have Watch Wednesday. Let's buy our crazy watches, and we're gonna compare crazy watches. Guess who bought a crazy watch, and guess who didn't?
That's what I was talking about, and I thought you got something real swanky, and I didn't want to be the guy with the Rugrat watch.
I literally bought a Rugrats watch. Rugrats, Tommy.
Wait a that. Popcorn chicken bowl?
Nobody told me anything about no wacky Wednesday watch.
Well, get ready for next week. So Steve's putting the final touches on these. Like you said, the forks are on them, so they're pretty much done.
Yeah, they are done.
Oh, they are done.
Yeah, I'm just cleaning up.
Oh, you finished?
Yeah, they're all good.
All done.
Yep.
What's going on here, Ben?
We're getting an epic photo drone shot of all these 10 frames and the green machine. So, everybody in position. So Steve made me up this stick here for my GoPro. Whenever I'm riding, trying to get Russ some footage and get impaled like.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get right through you. Guys, it is what, 3, ooh. I don't know if my Tommy Pickles watch is fast or not. Is it actually 3:30 yet? Oh man, this watch is dead on. 3:32, May 11th. How'd your day go, Steve?
Smooth.
What'd you do today? What'd you get accomplished?
A lot of insane stuff.
That's what I like to hear.
An insane amount of work.
Insane. Just so insane. Watch, that's hot.
Just everything around here is always
No,
hot.
that really is hot.
That really was.
I just cut it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we figured we go back to our other roots and give you guys a ripping video, get everybody all amped up for these frames and what you guys are going to be able to build and accomplish once you get your frame.
Okay, so I got this groundhog. We're gonna go down here, plant it by Dave, see if we can scare him.
All right, ready for the circle? You just sit there and like look like a bat. You got it in you.
Dave, look out behind you!
You mother. Why? Why? I get more scared when stuff touches me. That was a good try. Good day today. We're getting excited for the frame drop. Hopefully people know that it's 9 o'clock Eastern time, not Easter time, because Easter time was in April.
How many people messaged you because they thought they were out of stock already because they got bought?
A lot. A lot of people don't exact. I think they're just so excited to get ripping, they didn't read the fine print. So they're not out of stock. They're just.
They didn't read any of the newsletter. Well, here's. So if they didn't read the newsletter, they can see that thing that says one frame only.
Right. Yeah.
You know?
If you buy more than one frame.
Did you put? Can you put that in the description?
I can.
Yeah.
If you want. Remind me to put one frame only in the description in 15 minutes.
Hawkeyes, whenever 9 o'clock rolls around.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Back
Still.
Well, tell these people because like everyone might.
So
not
listen
see
up.
what
I know
it is.
everybody's excited about the frame drop. We are too, but it's a one frame limit, and we're kind of sticklers about that. So if you buy more than one, we cancel your order. We don't sell to you on that day.
You don't even get one of them.
You don't even get one. So if you try to buy more than one because you want to keep it fair, we know that we wish we could have had 100, but we got 10 while we're doing everything else that we need to do to make this happen. So one per person, per household. And if you buy more than one, which hopefully after this you won't, but if you do, we're just canceling it. And yeah.
Just to keep it fair.
Just keep it fair.
Because we want 10 different people to have 10 builds.
Yep.
And 10 experiences and see what's going to happen.
Right,
So
exactly.
not one guy get 10 of them.
Even if you want to buy one for your grandma and you have a great story and she, yeah.
Just buy one for
Just buy
her.
one. Buy one and give it to your grandma. Don't be selfish.
Yeah, you could still ride it.
That's right.
You know. You guys just saw.
It's been a long couple days here.
It's been a long 2 weeks. Literally, like 2 weeks ago, we're like, let's do this frame drop thing. When you guys see this at 6, you're gonna have 3 hours to get your stuff together. Make sure you got your ducks in line. Make sure that bank account's full. Oh, we do have the PayPal financing and Affirm financing if you don't have any money, but you want a frame. All-inclusive program here.
Buy now, pay later.
We got frames to box up. We got stuff to do. It's still crunch time here. Or should we do an Instagram live tonight?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Because everybody's going to be on the website.
Oh, that's true.
You know?
That's true. Maybe we'll do an Instagram live afterwards, which it's just going to be a ton of, when's the next frames coming?
Yeah. Wait till you're FaceTiming with somebody that actually got one. Okay, so we're live on the phone.
Oh my gosh, dude!
How are you feeling?
Dude, that's such a good idea.
Put your phone number in. We'll call one lucky whatever.
If you get one, and you have an Instagram, put your Instagram in, or even your phone number if you're feeling froggy, and we'll FaceTime you. I'm being 100% serious. If you get one and you want to be on the channel, because we're gonna film tonight. If you get one, dude, we gotta. I'm so excited for that. Don't they have to put their info in anyways?
I don't know. They have to put their telephone number in.
Okay, so if you have an iPhone, yeah, that's the other thing. Go get them, boys! If you guys get one and you wanna FaceTime with us, we'll do it with every one of them. Every one of the 10 people that want to do it, we will FaceTime with any of the 10 customers that puts their phone number somewhere, so we can get a hold of them to get your reaction if you want to be on the channel. If you have an iPhone.
Some Amish guy out here.
Cool. Why are you all frazzled?
Because he was over here, like, trying to get in the building before. If this guy comes up, just point the camera at him and he'll steal his soul.
Oh, okay.
That should get him out of here.
Is he coming back here? All right, give me
Trike and find out.
Give me a cut it, because this is getting lengthy. Just give
Did
me.
you get anything good from before? I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll bring you in here real good. So, just finished up all these frames.
Guy, we already said all that.
But I'm giving you an uncut, full end.
They've already heard this.
Cut it. Shut it off.